I'ma tell them say Fyahpower sound is the world greatest sound. Fire, big up yourself in a Panther. I'ma say Anton, big up yourself in a Nashman. I'ma say Andy, Anthony CRUZ represent to the fullest. Kick it. I saw we kill them already. Fyahpower, I go kill them again. Put them in a problem. Check this. Just like them have now that them a say in the streets. And if you this Fyahpower, you gone 6 foot deep. Kill them off now, my people feel the beat. Make good boys put down the guns and ask and carve them feet like them up. Say Panther them can't defeat. Fire I play and it ever sounds sweet, yeah. Yes, we got some girls to meet. Yes, me push to the bone and me cologne smell sweet. Outside black up and the whole place jam. Them you say Fyahpower sound just kill another one. One mount a split me sip, one mount a Guinness in a hand. Looking at the dancer be a dead sound man. Me no know where some jump and sound come from. Nobody not real for them and we are champion. Some artists a come, somebody tell the gate man. When I want sound for dead, myself they put up on no. Just like them have now that them a say in the streets. And if you this a Nash man, you gone 6 foot deep. Kill them off now, Fyahpower lock the street. Make good boys put down the guns and ask and carve them feet like them up. Say Anton them can't defeat. And the a drop tune and them never sound sweet, yeah. Yes, we got some girls to meet. Yes, me push to the bone and make cologne smell sweet. Promoter feel nice, a lot indica them sell off. Bartender get them sure you shoulda see how them a laugh. Kill a couple song ka Fyahpower no soft. Some like the reggae music but we love it from we heart, yeah. Just tell them a some Mr. CRUZ stay. Fyahpower sound, how we carry the bass DJ. Hey Panther big up. Tell them sound boy they say them just get stick up. Stick up.